Hey guys, welcome back to Bartlett Arborist Supply. Today's video we're going to talk about the Notch Rope Runner Pro versus the old Rope Runner generation. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button, give us a like, drop a couple comments down below, let us know what you think, what you want to see in the future for video-wise, and we'll try and make that happen. So we're going to dive right in, right? Notch Rope Runner Pro, standard Rope Runner. Now if you take a look at both of them, they're both fairly the same size, but the biggest thing to me was the edges. They're a lot more finger friendly. So if you're going to collapse the bird, it doesn't give you that rough kind of feel on the edge. The bollards, so on the Rope Runner Pro, the bollard gives it that broken in feel right out of the jump versus the old one where it's just a standard bollard, same thickness all around, it's not grooved, and giving you the ability to adjust the friction on those bollards. On the Rope Runner Pro, you actually have 5 individual slots. On the old one, you don't have any slots. And I've gotten the question before, hey, how do you know which one to put your rope in, you know? And to me, this is it depends on the climber. Depends on what rope you're using and things like that. So it's one of those where it's low and slow to the ground, get the feel of it, and then once you've got it dialed in, boom, you're ready to fly. The second thing on these is there are a lot of dropping pieces to this, the standard Rope Runner. The pulley would fall off. The bump right here would be able to fall off and you'd be dropping pieces, especially if you had to disconnect for whatever reason up in the top. And if you drop the pulley, now you're kind of screwed there a little bit. But with the new Rope Runner, I'm going to set this guy down because now we're going to focus on the Rope Runner Pro. So the harness connection is a lot different. It's integrated into the pulley, so you slide up and down with it, which I think is very cool. The chest connection, instead of being on the side, it's down in the center, which is a big plus for me too. Now, to open this bad boy up, you still have double action slick pins. So 1, 2, and like I mentioned, you won't drop the pulley. You just find the slot and you open that one up. Then you go to the second one, which is for the gate, and boom. None of these pieces are drop, just like that. And it actually gives you, it shows ropes design in there, so you know where to put the rope in. So to install, slide that one in there first, and I capture the bottom first, so that way it's already on there. Second piece is for that gate, and we lock that in, and then after that we just go up and connect it to the bird. No need to take the slick pin that's on the bird all the way out. Connects in there. Now all we need is a carabiner install, and we're practically ready to fly. So like I mentioned, chest connection point, super slick, inlet, the edges, finger friendly, quick functions test, just like the old Rope Runner. Step into it, you sit. You want to make sure that that's not going to slip on you. So that's where it was low and slow to the ground. Make sure that it's properly adjusted to you. And away we go. Once you get to your main spot of work, you can stop, disconnect, you're in place. And if you got to descend, collapse the bird. If you let go, you're in place. One more thing I'd like to add with the Rope Runner Pro, you can use it SRS, but they've also made it so you can work off in an MRS configuration. Now the only thing with working off of an MRS configuration, the return end with the I-splice, manufacturer recommends you use either like a hydro pulley, so that way when you connect your I-splice down on your bridge, it's not making contact with the bird. You know, so that's the only other thing, but you can use it in an MRS connection. This has been the Notch Rope Runner Pro. Thanks for checking us out. Check out our other videos. Visit us at bartlettman.com, or you can Google us on Google Bartlett Arborist Supply. Thanks.